Hi everyone, this is Player Boost, and today I just wanted to post a really quick demo video of the project I've been working on over the past 2 months. The video is going to be totally unedited, edited and everything like that, but I will have a more official demo video coming up in the next few weeks when I have something that I am comfortable putting online as an official video. So what I've been working on is a video game that I want to release in late May, I believe. And hopefully I can finish it in that amount of time because it's a pretty ambitious project, but let me explain what it's about. Right now I'm calling the game project00. I'm going to have a better name once I release it because that's not a very good name right now. But it's basically a video game about building and programming robots. So what you do is you create a robot using like a bunch of tools and parts and whatever, and then you're able to program the robot using those tools, or you program the robot using a visual programming language. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said that, but yeah, it's not very. Right now, it's kind of in the prototype phase. The programming language is pretty much complete. That was my chair making that noise if you heard it. But the whole building thing is like, I haven't really done anything with that yet, so I want to get that done in the next week or two, just like in a prototype phase. So basically, the way this thing works is these little computer things right here. Let me make this full screen. Can I just like, I don't need full screen, I just need something like this. These little things right here are basically like the computers that control everything in the game. So you can connect these things to like here. There we go. And then you can connect these things to here. Unity's mouse thing can be weird sometimes. Which one was it? C? Yeah, so basically, I've said basically a lot, haven't I? You can connect input and output devices to this thing. And to program it, you use this programming language I've been working on. So let's create a new program, just call it a very new program. It also does that sometimes. Very new pro. That's really annoying. Okay, very new program. Create program. So then you get this thing right here, and you're basically able to select from any of these. Obviously I'm going to make this look nicer in the future, but you can just select like a constant and maybe add it to something. Let's say you want to add the number 4 to the number 8, and then you take these two, put them here, and then display that on the screen. If you've seen NXT programming, this is very, very similar to that, just like the way these wires connect everything. It's basically a node-based programming language. So now I can save this, and if I want to go into here, I can select a program. I think it's at the very bottom, yeah. Very new program. And then I can run it, hopefully, if I can click this thing. Yeah, and then it says 12 because 4 plus 8 is 12, and it outputs that onto the screen. So that's basically what I've done so far. There is obviously more functionality. If you go like, that was really weird. Yeah, if you go to here, I don't want to do that. Stupid, annoying, stupid. Let me do this. Okay. Now, there are other things in here, like if you want to do some square root thing, just connect this here. This thing allows you to wait a few seconds before doing something. I don't know what that ends up being. Square root of 8 is like 2.8 or something. Trigonometry, exponents. You also have these things. This is basically a compass and a servo motor. These things are like really simple right now, but they exist. If you look at that's not very helpful, but if you look at the bottom left right here, it shows like a little cursor thing. If you look at like cursor coordinates, if you look at up here, there's some things that you can do to change and edit the program. You can have it start just once when you click the start button, or you can have it run every frame. And then obviously you can save it. So that's basically what I have so far. And like I said, once I add a few more pieces, because now these are like the only input and output devices, it's this really weird compass thing and this servo motor thing. I'm going to have better looking ones and ones that are actually functional, and then I'm going to create a bunch of other input and output devices. So then hopefully you can build robots. Because right now, I mean, you can... I forgot how you do this. There's a button that you press. Is it this? I honestly do not... Oh, there we go. I guess you can't tune on that. That's really weird. But yeah, you can just add things using this combination of keys, and I'll explain all that in the demo video. But yeah, that's what I've been working on, and I hope to have something out probably like in a week. I might throw it on Steam Greenlight just because I don't want to pay the Steam Direct fee. If you haven't heard, Steam Greenlight is being removed and they're doing all this stuff, but that's a whole nother topic that has like nothing to do with this video, so I'm not going to worry about that. Yeah, I think that's everything. So I hope if you're new to my channel or whatever from this video, which I highly doubt, but if you are new, I really appreciate you watching, and if you want to follow like what's going on, you could just subscribe to this channel or something. It's right now I'm very open with like looking at new marketing opportunities and getting like an online presence, because I haven't done any of that yet, and I want to worry about that once I get like a good demo out. But now I'm just going on tangent. So I'll end the video here. I hope it's been inspirational or informative somehow. Thanks for watching, and this is Player Boost signing out.